Whether you want to sell commercial policies, help families protect their homes, or build a long-term career, it all starts with getting your P&C license. Let me break it down for you step by step. Let's get into it. If you're new here, my name is Max McCuddy. I've been in the insurance industry now for almost 2 years as an active producer. A little bit more than that, but it took a little bit of time in finding the right agency to partner with. I specialize mainly in the commercial insurance industry, where I've built a niche in the marine industry. Think marinas, yacht clubs, yachts, marine brokers, etc. I've also built a particularly impressive book of business within the real estate industry where I insure buildings. We call those lesser's risks, but I insure other business types as well. Step 1, you have to be 18 years old, you need a driver's license, and you need a clean record. Step number 2, you're gonna need to complete a pre-education course. I personally got licensed in Washington State, so it's important to note that Washington no longer requires that you take a pre-education course. Again, that's just for Washington. Most states are still going to require that you take that course. Courses range anywhere from 20 to 40 hours, and you can knock this out either online or in person. I personally used America's Professor Online, and it took me about a week or so to complete. Step 3, now you're going to schedule and pass your state exam. Once you're done studying, it's time to test. You'll register through the state to schedule your proctored exam. You'll either do this again online or in person, but you'll need about a 70% or higher to pass that exam. Step number 4, background check and fingerprinting. After passing the exam, you'll go and get your fingerprinted. Now you can go through your state's website to figure out where you can go get your fingers printed. I believe it costs like $15 to $20 to get your fingers printed, but then once that gets submitted, you're on to your next step. Step number 5, applying for your license. Once you do your fingerprinting, you can now apply for your license. You'll go through what's called NIPR.com. This is the National Insurance Producer Registry. Then you'll pay a fee, which depending on your state could be anywhere from $30 or up to $300 I've seen. Now on to step number 6, get your license. Once NIPR accepts your application and you're approved, you'll get an email prompting you to go to your state's website where you can print out your license, and that'll be your official ticket into the industry. Congratulations. Step number 7, get appointed with your carriers. Now, getting licensed doesn't mean you're ready to sell insurance yet. You'll need to find a local insurance agency that you want to work with. From there, you'll get appointed with insurance carriers through your agency, which gives you the permission and the ability to sell insurance. Now, I personally work with an independent agency here in my area. It's locally owned, meaning it's not been purchased by private equity. And by being independent, you have access to multiple carriers, which I highly recommend, especially in today's insurance market. Once that's all complete, you're off to the races. Now, just as a bonus step, you'll need to renew your license every 1 to 2 years by completing a continuing education course. Now, if you're coming from the real estate industry like I did, you'll appreciate the fact that getting your insurance license costs so much less than maintaining your real estate license. Now, the other huge benefit of this industry is if you want to get licensed in another state, it's called your non-resident license. All you'll do is go to that NIPR.com site, you'll pay the fee associated with getting licensed in that particular state, and you're done. Now, there are a few caveats to that. States like Florida, California, and New York are going to be a little bit more difficult than just paying that fee, but relatively speaking, it's a very simple process. Now that's going to wrap up this video. 7 steps and you're in the game. Whether you're selling commercial, personal, or going all in on your book of business, it all starts here. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and drop a comment if you want help getting started. Let's go build something big.